July has arrived, and so has the heat. Not that I'm complaining. After months of waiting for summer, it feels a little unfair to complain when it finally shows up. The garden changes almost daily this time of year. Some plants are just getting started, while others are already beginning to fade. I suppose that's summer reminding us that nothing stays exactly the same for very long. Of course, the to-do list doesn't seem to notice it's 30 degrees outside. It just keeps getting longer. I'm fairly certain it reproduces overnight. Today, I'm giving one of my favorite little corners of the garden a fresh start. Sometimes all a place needs is a second chance. I don't know if you remember, but last year I planted these like step-on ferns that was supposed to grow into this beautiful fire pit area. However, that didn't happen. None of them came back after the winter. And I have a new idea. An idea I will most likely regret, because it's a very hot day and I decided that today is the day that I will start the new fire pit area, which means take down the old fire pit area, dig away a lot of the soil, add sand, and then remake a new fire pit area. Did I mention it's a very hot day? As always, that took a little longer than expected, and I'm done for today. For a while now, there's been an idea quietly growing in the back of my mind. I think it's because I miss real lettuce. Not for the nostalgia, but for the way they ask us to just slow down. They don't compete for our attention. They simply arrive, wait patiently on the table and ask for 10 quiet minutes whenever we're ready. So I've decided to create something called Letters from Allan. Once a month I'll send a letter from my little corner of Denmark. I'll write about whatever life has brought that month. Perhaps the tomatoes have finally arrived. Perhaps I've spent far too long repairing something that should have taken an afternoon. Perhaps Alvar has supervised absolutely none of the work. There'll be stories from the house and garden, small things I've noticed, books I've enjoyed, projects that went better than expected, and those that definitely didn't. Sometimes there might be a favorite recipe, a pressed flower, a fun sticker, or another little surprise tucked into the envelope. It won't be a newsletter, it won't be full of updates or announcements. It will simply be a letter. One small pause each month. Something to read with a cup of coffee whenever you have a quiet moment. The videos will always be the heart of what I do. These letters simply feel like continuing the conversation after the camera has been put away. If it sounds like something you'd enjoy, I'd be delighted to write to you. I picked a lot of red currants last week. Apparently my cutting with scissors is very controversial. Anyway, I'm gonna make all of this into a red currant jam.
Stars fly across the sky into a black night. It makes me wonder as I look in your eyes. Am I falling under your spell? Earth moving beneath my feet, sky falling down on me. I wanna believe in miracles, in things I've never seen. Is it wishful thinking that the best is yet to come? Is it foolish to believe that we are over when we just begun? I can't help it, this feeling, trying to figure this out. Is it wishful thinking? If you can feel it, then you can't deny. It's all around us if we listen closely. Love is raining all around. Oceans rise and mountains fall. In the end, so will us all. I wanna know the mystery, what's making me fall. Is it wishful thinking?
Remember last week I cut up a ton of these for no reason at all. So I've been thinking I need to use these for something, and I have a little idea. I want to create a little table, a little stool, which can add some height on the terrace to put a nice plant on. That's the idea anyway. So I'm trying to learn my own lessons and not to overdo it, because I have plenty of time. There's one big question to be asked though. Which design on the tiles do I go for? I have two options. And if you don't like either of them, let me know another option that you prefer. In any case, I would love to hear your thoughts.